live on Ghana First TV. Medical Catro said Debiano. Making sure so be a part of Ghana First TV. About political issues are number one room. We make sure say ye di hu juma all the time. Na ye no one na wonim de. Wo ka bi womu so emrebia etena se edi nkomo na ya dwendwe my Ghana ho said e be fa ne ntoma pa efra. Ye fra me wusu achiman. Na nipa Yaji Brian no edi nkomo afa my Ghana ho. One of the fantastic guy or war NDC national communication team no mo. A very vibrant guy in the party. A friend Kojo Dankwa. Odia, net is saying
Minia, Yahuye, a Jana and Alpha Mudia, Yabadanas, Yahuye.
Oh, why effect?
Monsieur Siam.
And I know now me ready post to be Oko baby, and I'm ready post to be no betrayal. Yes, Kojo is looking much better under Nanado administration, even than NDC administration. Me who appearance and all.
Who said the born in a money pa? Sabe, Ayakase.
Only a case of why effect.
But say, who said the born in a money pa?
Sure.
I want to rent Sabio, Nibedi, Yentino. Unyaka Krabia was so didn't do some nerdy. What you say? Now, if you say, you will see car and keep it, you better the Basabasa. Can you do Basabasa? That was a Mayaka before I touch you. I want to. And a mammy did the bonnet, and a muffa to trade. What I say, Maminica now was across a Ghana Festival, so ye fair what Jay and so. You, Unia, Mesome Damase, said, there was some moment of Damase. It was a Ghana Festival, who a year TV beer, or share my Ghana for Nana, I should tell baby. It is someone, Mahuni Pebby, woman, now Pessamo Mammy Acuna with your platform. Now, Mesome propeller me home to the level in which I may anticipate. Now was semi moment na medamase. Now was set me kase medamasi pa.
Young go straight. Na issues in the Dawson. The people room one after the other. But the what passes is here Ghana for can just ended Supreme Court hearing. Mekase petitioner Ufi Momo side NDC and the Kodom Supreme Court. Yap ye bibia kwa akoda. I think say baby a toy. No one I'm more expecting, and I'm a boy.
Dabi, and you're not my mammy chair, you know, main chair, a year with tea for any Usu, I say, a year Supreme Court ruling on the buy. Potoka Semono, Rebecca said there's been travesty of justice. The ruling was unfair, the ruling was unjust. I'm a GDR, ye war yang, a year judicial services, and atonsuo and Ghana for the one me jimidi say obi nya asem na oka chen so mfa nkọ aseni bia ne ni asem ne ma no wan hwe yi a na sa nipa no obeka se dabi because okọ aye aseni bia wo nya attention and that is what we are faced with as a country now. Sabe yan de ye hunu said the processes and the end no no justice was not served.
Processing.
Yes.
And the ending.
And the ending, no, there was no justice. One, processes na make and say yedi kai, ye court, Obekaya, a year NDC, John Dramani Mahama, and a petition cut down a year court matter and said, Mona say asamuba na Ghana ni bia ne bo enyo asem na aba no so. You dwane beto. And amona mo the last arbiter. Say Modi ye do mo baby am won Supreme Court ye ko baby bi we anya den enye na he Ghana mamra nso a amamra ne kire mu pefe and Ghana mamra ni o hwe eye article eye 64 of Ghana's eye constitution menya ya mekan na wonne watifo article 64 of Ghana's constitution o say a challenging election of president 64.1 article 64.1 I say the validity of an election of the president may be challenged only by a citizen of Ghana who may present a petition for the purpose to the Supreme Court within 21 days after the declaration of the results of the election in respect of which the petition is presented. Eti Ghana mamra yenina yajitu musi de be adwuma fi emfi apem hankona de okuru mienu ebesi sabiri ana amba ya ho kwan in article 64.1 say yakoto aba no bi ani ne ho obi mbo no so a sa nipa no betimi de akọ eye Supreme Court wan ka se e fa nkọ circuit court as a party to the no e was electoral commissioner ono na Ghana mamra ma ne ho kwan se woni dwuma e ba na bato ne hu nwumadie se ye bobọ ene ne kan ne ade ni na declaration ni na ono ye ye kodu court ne ehu hia se wo se ebisa maame no ensebisa eno na alaya for no friend interrogatories but also ya we ye the interrogatories about 12 of them e de ko to eye isi nanim say maame je mensa una wo organize election una abobo aba no ehu be hia say odi anu yiye beba ensem ye be se ebisa we ye bono Supreme Court said abi ye ma ho kwan na we bisa maame na sense
no Supreme Court de omo pe ene cancer ana say omo so gina emra bi so na cancer
na me pacho interrogatories no elembre na
na me bisa yes e wo mra mu mo de mu gina mra so na de ko me ba
yes
na me bisa the Supreme Court de no so no omo gina mra so ana so omo de omo pe na yes
Supreme Court
just answer that one
say court no you will be a friend discretionary power and who has we know Supreme Court no use no discretionary power now that discretionary
they are right to do that
discretionary power no so no sabio enye na kana Supreme Court can say you use your discretionary power okay 1992 constitution ma emo tu mi say mutimi use discretionary power article 296 but no so say discretionary power na kire say and what say we use say discretionary power na man bro so say be na we sisi obi what you say
meba kwadwo say bibia koto na Jane Mensa EC commissioner chairperson de my EC ebetena egwanu mu ma mototo na no what do you think say enka final results no maybe
Kagana for me no mean ke be hunu sabe krono ba e course e wo election
but enka betima change bibia na apart from ye be hu what actually maybe the process are almost fast so
of course because you see look minyaya on ke be sha say free baby a ye dey ensem no kodan court ye ensem an ye ka ye du baby a mekire won ne nke be change se ma me ne betina ya daka mu because the court no judgment on the by na who read the last paragraph of page 39 of the court's judgment you realize the court did not even know the figures here electoral commission and kasa use here it's court no e different figure no electoral commission documents so different figure no electoral commission declaration different figure no enti na hu be hia say electoral commission ma me no betina eye kunyanim na ye bisa no say anyanya bia figure figure bia wo de buy no unya sa figures no we be ma jot ya make anas enti na hu hia say wo say ma me no wo ba no betina box nim nya toto na no because look this is nothing new in 2012 ye koto aba ebinumo ebo anyo so na e ma adwene say kronobo bia bam wo be kaya wo mu de ko ye eseni bia e ma court ehwe no nyinya den e ma wo sabre no na Dr. Farijan onu podo e doctor ni o wa sua homa yie pa akwachire
PhD from lawyer
what you say but you see obi okra PhD there won't mean for a lawyer
that doesn't mean say
PhD holder woman is menka so nsu ade but Farijan a PhD holder obetina box me to na no look electoral commission omumoto de adwuma so omumoto de adwuma I have one of their releases here we electoral commission one of their releases about at the end of omumoto ni transparency fairness and integrity but transparency as such say what you say me yes say bibia we bia no memu na fine anamboa
say wo hwemu hu
fairness fata pere yo ye de aye and integrity na such say bi o wo de say nya wo ye bia no you are minded of sabe
alese say hote
no it will be a transparency with the adwuma obi also the fairness ye adwuma na nka ya accuse you say wabokro no e wo election mu de anka ye bibia ni pa wonko na wose nka ye wo dese uba be gina ayadaka mu na sabe wo de eya no yi aba
catch you say you couldn't push her to do that I mean me no wanya asem me hwe won sem na ade betina ho awokana o chale we German ko me hu ade bia me hu de wo mu ntia asem me sem na I mean
also yen chance ye di kan court on ye call yen ye say electoral commissioner the declaration or it was unconstitutional. And the argument was based on Article 63.3 of the 1992 Constitution. Article 63.3 no edeneka. Nya kan say ekokoto abana electoral commission ubebu abanwa. Nipa ubetimi akasa asumasi obenti na edi nkunim na wose saa nipa no enyo emma no a yato no papa na ewumu no. That's valid vote casting. Wose nipa no nya ohamu nchichemu aduonum ene akiri po baako ko. E ba to ase. Ana yeto abani wie no electoral commission pe ono ani declaration o ye on the 9th. Yemu bia ni ho a parties ni bia ni wonya ohamu nchichemu eye aduonum ne akiri po baako ko. Enti ekoba na saa no na was electoral commission every article 63.4 actually say see to aba na obi anya 50% plus 1 I was about to no say yes organizing the from between the first two candidates it is that was organize about one for between Yang and Nana Danko Akufo-Addo after say nka why declaration why declare who say why mistake verbally why me do ho ma chase me do ho na the declaration o on the 9th. Look, yes, I court down court na metro no. Yeah. The declaration on the 9th. Obi any wa would 50% plus 1. And me know Babeche, I have the figures here. We had declaration electoral commission. Yeah. On one kasa catch the Ghana for say, ye to abani wie no. Se na na dan ko for adunya 6,730,430. Also total valid vote cast. And my papa no to e man ye to papa na wo. According to EC no say 30,434,574. The part of South Africa we for 2 million because you best have a hobby. Because court na come was. Electoral commissioner say what they multiply by 100 no. Na na bank Akufo-Addo nya 51.595%. So we calculator mesra boss ade we ni anya calculation uti. Na we say anya bia electoral commission figure no what they buy no. Sebe na eye no kra na. It's yes, you fire calculator, you share them a year calculation of a figures in electoral commission number 2. And you say, Mamma Sabi, a man 1 1 2 done the percentage of 100 to not be 2 done. And you're correct. No, oh, yes, our calculation now, or 100 to move a dunum a poor 0.98%. And another Danko Akufo-Addo. Now, for back on the 9th, I'm not know your declaration. Mamma can say. Declaration award what the 274 year constituencies na declaration you be say answer there no so techima answer for mine na mom say techima ma over 128,018 no say the John Dramani Mahama ma ho kra no anya de a na na do Danko Akufo-Addo say above from less than 50% enti enu nti no wo gina sa de no so we declare na na do as winner modini na kokamofa ni na ya fa ni na ya fa ni na de ka John Dramani Mahama de ho ye percentages ni hu se Akufo-Addo nya 49.625%. When 50%. Okay, fine. That is Nina. Okay. It's when me ba o nya bo che. When 50%. But only me money hu. The money hu no say. Oba yes announcement we ye calculation. Ano no aba ba gitu mu say. Oh, a mistake. No, wait. Engineer Wanza. Kojo, say wo pese wo nya de to convince Ghanaians. Na you hu say what they are waiting na. Yes, indeed. What NDC is telling Ghanaians, that is how it's here. And ka we ani na we would Techima South Mali na koka John Dramani Mahama de no ho. Na do percentage tiba 49 points. Say 625%. 25%. Uwe na ka wasan wo de no ato ho. Na for what safa ba na wahwe de Techima South John Mahama nyaye na wafa de na Akufo-Addo nso nyaye meba na for mo de na mu nyaye no abeka mo de no ho na ka mo ahwe de 30% na question ye be ye no affect individual emano a presidential candidates ni nyaye no na mo no a total valid vote cast na me use you no na enye total valid vote cast na total vote cast it's a happen na me ye mistake it's ni again say happen no ye mistake what him say what they a 10th a friend saying December a corrections ne buy no na what the mama ko oha anya duoso and 9 aka na ado de no man panyini a John Dramani Mahama de no what so a apem ahanson ane son that's a over correcting mistake was sad akoya another mistake according to NDC we are asked whether it's a mistake or it's deliberate nobody knows and no documents in we 10th December a friend saying mistake on one kasa so was so be correct any uti ala what they amani bi 174 kan na do de no 1707 every president John Dramani Mahama did. Meanwhile no was your mistake here no was just the numerator no ho anka. It is a numerator ho anka na denominator ho na ho anka. E ba na sen ana wo tie ebi free ebi die so na ebi die odi
bi kan bi there. Okay.
Na we lenti na na huhia say e wo se maame no wo baba tena ayadaka ni
na wo ti match chire
ba Ghana for
na akoye
free e ba ya
na ka wachem na
Ghana for yin na ye
okay.